NeoSocket Fuel Saver, a tiny plug-in gadget that supposedly cuts your fuel bill just by sitting in your car's 12-volt socket. No install, no tuning, no effort, just plug it in and save money. Sounds great. But does it actually work? What's inside it? Let's find out. First, I watched their promo video very carefully, scrolled through it frame by frame, and of course, they never really explain how this miracle fuel saving is supposed to work. No real mechanics, no physics, nothing. So I kept digging and found another video with a whole dramatic backstory. In that one, a doctor's car breaks down, so his neighbor, this supposedly great guy, lends him his truck. The doctor drives a ton, racks up a lot of miles, and by the end of it, the fuel has barely moved, so naturally he asks questions, and that's when the neighbor points to this little plug-in device and starts telling him the whole story. According to him, he used to work as an engine engineer for a major car company, and that's where he supposedly learned the truth. Since 2001, automakers have been installing a hidden device in cars that increases fuel consumption and makes the engine run worse. According to them, it's all part of a big conspiracy between car manufacturers and oil companies. I watched that carefully too. They even show a supposed inventor of this new gadget who claims he created it to fight that evil system and help people save fuel. According to the story, this magic plug supposedly detects that hidden destructive device in your car, the one that allegedly harms the engine, and blocks it. This guy in the video is presented as the developer of the product. They claim it emits electromagnetic waves, and that's how it saves fuel, right? Electromagnetic waves from a cigarette lighter plug are going to fix global fuel consumption. And in the end, of course, every single time, they push you to click the link and go to the website where you can buy this wonder device. So I went to that site. In my case, it's one of these NeoSocket pages you've probably seen in social media ads. Here it is, the exact same gadget for sale. The description is the usual stuff. Just plug it in, smart technology, easy to use, all that. The price is about $38 for one, or $26 each if you buy three. And of course the slogan, use less fuel, drive more. Pay attention here. On that site, they don't actually explain how it works at all. Not a word about that inventor they showed in the video, no technical breakdown, nothing you can really understand. Instead, they show a fancy graphic of the inside, a so-called main logic chip, stabilizer, overvoltage protection, all these impressive buzzwords slapped on a drawing of a 12-volt plug. They also have pictures of the device itself and a bunch of reviews. Supposedly 100 reviews, all of them 5 stars. Every single person just plugged it in and instantly started saving on gas. Sure, remember I promised to show you what's actually inside? People have already bought this thing, opened it up, and posted teardowns. So let's compare what they claim versus what's really there. In reality, on the inside, you get just a couple of basic components: a resistor, a capacitor, and a little LED. That's it. The LED just blinks when you plug it into the 12-volt socket, pretending the device is working. In terms of fuel savings, the result is exactly zero. There's nothing in there that can talk to your engine computer, change your fuel maps, or anything like that. It's literally a blinking light. Now, let's talk reviews. On their own site, as I said, everything is perfect, 5 stars, happy customers, works great on my daily commute, all that. But what happens in the real world? That's where you find people saying the device does nothing at all. On top of that, buyers say they were charged more than they authorized. For example, they order 1 unit just to try it, and their card gets charged for several instead. So yeah, this is full-on deception, a classic scam. And from a physics perspective, a device like this simply cannot do what they claim. A couple of cheap components on a tiny board in a 12-volt plug are not going to override some imaginary fuel destructor in your engine. That would just straight up break the laws of physics. Thanks for watching, stay sharp out there, and don't let these guys tax your wallet harder than the gas station already does.